Hey everybody, this is Alan Wade here with a very basic Adobe After Effects tutorial. If my voice sounds funny, it's because I'm on my iPhone headphone thingy, so never mind. Please excuse me. Yeah, let's get into it. We're going to be doing a very basic animation showing you how to move an object from one point in time to another. Okay, right now let's start a new composition. We're going to call this composition move. Okay, 10 seconds. Okay, now we have our composition. This right here, you might be confused if you're just starting to use After Effects, but this isn't actually a thing that you can create something on. This is just space right here. This just tells you have a new composition. This is basically your composition. And it's not actually a canvas or something that you can write on. You got to create a layer. Layers are what we work with. So we're going to create a layer, a solid. Let's make it a different color so you can see what I'm talking about. Make a layer. Boom, boom. Okay. Make comp size. Okay. See? That's our canvas, if you will. Alright. It just appeared on the timeline. It's our first thing. Okay, you can animate that too, but we're not going to do that. We're going to actually put something on the canvas or on the thing, and we're going to animate that. Make new layer, and let's make a shape. Okay, we're going to make a star, and let's change the fill. Let's make a yellowish star. Okay, boom. Oh, look, we got a star. Isn't that nice? Okay, let's take. I don't want to fill. Anyway, we don't want to stroke, but let's keep it. Take that down. Boop, no stroke. All right, let's move our star over here. Okay, so now we have a magical little star. All right, so we're gonna select the item we'd like to animate. Go to drop down menu. There is an easier way to do that, but we're not going to get into that because we're keeping it real basic. Go transform, and positioning is what you want to play with when you're moving an object right to left or up and down. Right to left, up and down, right here. Okay, these little things are stopwatches. This is when you turn the stopwatch on by pressing it one time, you're going to see a little diamond appear over here in the timeline. So you push it and you see that little diamond. That indicates what that reflects this, if that makes any sense to you. If you don't want to make an animation and then turn this off because you'll lose everything that you've already done and you have to do it all over again. So when you turn the stopwatch on, it's on. You want to leave it on for the remainder of your project. Okay, so let's move the timeline indicator to a certain point in time. The playhead got on 2 seconds, and let's move this star somewhere. So that's where it's going to be on our second. All right, 4. Let's move it to 4, and we're going to go up with it. Let's move it to 6. And we're gonna go over and down with it, and let's move it to 8, and we're gonna go over with it, and at 10 we're gonna go up, and that's where we're gonna wind up. Okay, so that's basically it. That's your animation. If you look at it, you can see that, oh my gosh, I've animated my first object in Adobe After Effects. How cool is this? Anyway, I hope I taught somebody something. I know it's very basic, but I'm gonna teach you guys things as I learn them, and we'll get more advanced as we go along because we're learning together. Isn't it fun when you're learning together with friends? Okay, so this is Alan Wade here with A-Dubb Productions with the basic After Effects tutorial on how to animate an object. Please visit my website www.adubb.com. And also, I'm working on a new site, www.newphillyhiphop.com. Check that out. I'm not a web designer, but something I've been interested in, and I'm teaching myself how to do it. So check it out, www.newphillyhiphop.com. All right, I hope I taught somebody something out there, and I'll bring you another tutorial shortly because I have learned some more stuff in class. So, all right. Enjoy the rest of your day, night, or evening. Bye bye.